Good evening everyone. May payak iti may isang kanta na pauluan, You Are My Guide. Kanta idi ubing kami. I will trust in the Lord as I walk every day. I will trust in the Lord. He is with me every day. You are my guide everywhere I go. I am not afraid because I trust in you. You are my strength, my protection too. Times of trouble, Lord, my help it comes from you. You will lead me, Lord, and always by my side in my life every day. You are my guide. In Tagalog version, sa'yo lang manalig, lagi kang kasama. Sa'yo lang manalig, lagi kang kasama. Tanging gabay, saan patutungo? Di matatakot, may tiwala sa'yo. Tanging lakas ng kanlungan ko sa kaguluhan, ako ay tutulungan. Ang patnubayan, tanging kasama ko.